guys, well, it's fun time here, and we are gonna be making a video of fighting. So yeah, but not like punching, not that, but like actually, you'll see. So no, no, sorry. Okay, I'll get him later. No, I gotta throw that guy over there, and actually, I'll just go get him now. I'm not. Ah. Okay, I'm alive. Okay, okay. In that corner, we have Polka Dot, the epic Polka Dot, and he's like really cool. I'm the epic Polka Dot, and I like blueberries, cause I'm blue and they're blue. So yeah, yeah, that was just a little introduction of that guy. And in that corner, we have the little ball that. Wait, whoa. I'm the yellow ball, and I like pizza, cause it's yellow. Okay, enough of that. So yeah, we're gonna be fighting. They're gonna be fighting. Let's see who wins. Gotta set this up right, unlike last time. I'm just gonna do this. Alright. So, round one. Let's go. Wait, what the heck did I even do? What did I do? I don't know. Wait. What the heck? Is it recording? Oh yeah, it is. Never mind. Oh. Oops. Let's just go. Okay. You come at me. Boom. Ah, yeah. I'm coming back. Ah. I'm gonna do the epic fart move. So yeah. Boom. I won, cause I'm so boss. That's right. Like a boss. Okay, second round. Here we go. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Okay, whatever. What are you doing? I'm gonna die. Really, shut up. So this guy wins. Yeah! I win. This guy stinks. Oh, he stinks. Who stinks? Okay, I gotta go get him because I kind of threw him overboard. So while you're doing that, you can play with Smiley. Oh. Nothing. Oh. Get up for a second. Okay, and now round 3 is coming up. This is gonna be a little different. It's gonna be the epic domination. 2 people. Addie, get out! Addie, stop. Addie, please stop. So now we're gonna do this. Eating, meeny, miny, mo. Kitchen tiger, bite a soul. Anyhow, letting go. My mom picks you, and you are it. Oh, sorry, dude, but you're gonna die by the awesome penguin dude. Oh, he's about to die. I win! Yeah! Look at me! I'm so cool! Okay, so if you liked or comment, please comment below, because I don't know the name for this guy yet. So comment below the names that you want it to be. Get out of here! Ow! Get out of here! And so yeah, just comment below the names that you want. So yeah, bye.